Hello friends. If you captured your images in poor lights and you are not happy with your images due to darkness, then no worries. Today I am going to tell you how you can brighten up your underexposed images in less than 1 minute. So friends, here is an example underexposed image. For this you just have to create a new level adjustment layer. Change the blending mode from normal to screen, also change preset from default to lighten shadows. And it's done. You can see a large difference before and after applying this setting. Let's do another example with an house interior image. We will repeat the same steps. Create a level adjustment layer. Change blending mode from normal to screen and change preset from default to lighten shadows. Image's brightness has been fixed. Now let's fix its color contrast. For this, create a hue and saturation layer and increase its saturation like this. To see the difference, I am going to group these two layers by selecting and pressing Ctrl+G. Now you can see the difference. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.